Oi everybody, Juliana here. Today we'll be making these amazing chocolate-covered gummy bear cookies. These cookies did so well for Christmas that I wanted to make a romantic chocolate berry version for Valentine's Day. They look, taste, and smell amazing. Anyone who gets to try one will fall in love with you. So, let's bake! For the chocolate cookie dough, you just need to add 240 grams of butter to your mixing bowl. With a half a teaspoon of salt, 150 grams of sugar, and then mix it over medium to high speed until it gets light yellow and really creamy. Add 1 egg and 1 yolk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste or vanilla extract. Mix over medium speed until all combined and you don't see any egg left over. Mix 400 grams of flour with 40 grams of sifted cocoa powder and add it to the bowl. Mix over low speed for about 40 seconds and give it a very quick mix over high speed to combine everything together. Place the dough over a flat surface, and if you need to, combine any flour left. Press the dough making a square shape, wrap in plastic wrap, and place it over a tray in the fridge until it gets hard, about 40 minutes. Have 2 large pieces of parchment paper ready. Get the dough from the fridge and roll it until a half a centimeter thick. I like this thickness because it helps to hold the gummy bears inside really well. For the hard cookies, you need some heart-shaped cookie cutters. You can find them on Amazon. I've attached the link to the description. You just need to have 2 sides that fit one inside the other, so you can fill the middle with gummy bears. Cut hearts all over the dough, using as much dough as you can. Place the dough into the freezer for 10 minutes until it is very hard. Get all the shaped hearts and place them over a tray with parchment paper. Re-roll any remaining dough and reshape. Place the dough in the fridge as you finish shaping all the cookies. I got the sour gummy bears and red berry flavor. I recommend to get brands that are harder in texture, so they won't stick on the tray after. I like to cut them in half so they spread better to fill the cookies when cooking. You can also place them easier when they're cut. Bake the same sized cookies together. Bake the larger one for 7 minutes. Take them out and add the gummy bears inside. For the larger cookies, I'm using 3 to 4 pieces. Put them back and cook for 7 minutes more. You will see how they melt. If they need more gummies, take them out again and add another piece. But don't put too many gummies inside because they can get too sticky after baked. Add enough just to cover the entire center nicely. Once they bubbling, you can tell they are cooking well. Use a wooden stick to spread the gummy evenly. For the small hearts, bake them for 5 minutes before adding the gummy and then 3 to 4 minutes more after. Like for the small ones, I just added 2 pieces of gummy bears. Wait until they cool completely before taking them from the tray. They will stick a little bit on the parchment paper, but they will come off easily. Use some dark 70% tempered chocolate to give it that final touch and taste. This will give the cookies an extra chocolatey flavor that anyone will love. You can find many different videos on how to temper chocolate on the channel, the link in the description. Remove after the chocolate sets. For storing, keep the cookies on parchment paper. Lay them on top of each other, like this, or place them into plastic bags to help them not stick on a glass surface, for example. These chocolate gummy bear cookies are a winner for your Valentine's Day. I really recommend you giving them a try. Let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to smash the like button if you liked this video and subscribe if you are new here. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao!